Everyone, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Good evening. Good evening po mga nagagandahan at nagwagwapuhang bisita ni na Lex at Kate. Masaya po ba kayo sa gabing ito? You have to convince me kasi parang wala po akong nasa-sense na kasiyahan. Come on, it's 2 days before Christmas. We all know that it's the busiest month of the year and probably for most of you, pagod-pagod na po kayo, no? Kaka-shopping, kaka-party. But anyway, we'd like to thank you all for taking the time to be here tonight. Sabi ko nga po kanina, grabe ang traffic, busy ang lahat, but still, you are here to grace the occasion and spend this momentous time with Lex and Kate. So, palapakain niyo naman po mga sarili ninyo for that. Maraming salamat po sa pagdalo sa napakagandang kasalang ito. My name is Heidi Santos de Maisip and I am very happy to be here, honored to host this beautiful wedding of Lex and Kate. So, mga kaibigan, the program is now starting. But before we begin, meron lang po sana kaming maliit na pabor sa inyong lahat. We all know na we are starting a bit late with the program and I'm sure for most of you, gutom na po kayo. Tama po ba ako? Yes, okay lang po, let's be honest. Lahat po tayo nakakaramdam ng gutom. But, this is a celebration of love. And we really have to give this time for Lex and Kate. So sana po, maasahan po ba namin na walang uuwi hanggat hindi po natatapos ang programang ito? Yes? Isang bisita lang po ang sumagot ng yes. Yes? Yes. They've prepared so much for all of you. Kung tutuusin ko, they can just save the money and go on an extended honeymoon, pero they chose to spend it with all of you. Para pati po kayo ay masayahan sa kanilang pag-iisang dibdib. So, agree po ba? Lahat po magsistay, walang uuwi? Very good. Alright. So to start the program, it is my honor to acknowledge and introduce the proud parents of our beautiful couple. Simulan po natin sa mga magulang ni Lex. Please welcome Mr. Wilfredo Salvador and Mrs. Purificacion Salvador. Sir, ma'am, kayo po kayo to be recognized. Magandang gabi po. Now let's meet the parents of Kate. Please welcome Mr. Emmanuel Santa Ana and Mrs. Nenita Santa Ana. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am. Ang babata po ng parents of the couple natin. Para lang po sila nagsa-celebrate ng 15th year wedding anniversary. Alright, now we move over to the